Hi everyone, Gowtham here and welcome to my channel. So for this week's video, I thought of doing a review on a product that I recently bought. This was thanks to Aditi Makeup. She got me on it as soon as she bought it and I saw how she had used it and how it came and everything. And like the price was so affordable compared to what it would be as an individual. And it is the P.Louise bases. I had bought all of the primary colors or as a set. It was on special. There are 14 shades that came in a bundle, and as you can see without dropping it, how good. And with that I also got a nude base in the shade 05. So I kind of wanted to just go into it and just give you a review on how they are. At the moment I still don't know what type of an eye look I want to go with. I'm kind of leaning towards blues and purples, or even like maybe like greens and blues. And like I'm wearing blue, so I kind of like thought like how would blue on blue look. It might look kind of cute, you know, what a vibe. So I thought I definitely like look into it, and I kind of am excited. Like I've never used liquid bases for eyeshadow especially, so I've only used it as a, or like used my concealer as a base for powder. So I'm kind of keen to see how these work. This could be a fail, this could be a hit, but I definitely know that this isn't the issue. It'll be the way I execute it, but I'm quite keen to see how it works. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I've just finished off my base and I've left my nose bake on so it gets sharpened over time.
Dude, wait till you see the...
But I think I kind of know what colors I want to go into today. I've picked out these three. Looking at it, I don't know why, I kind of was drawn to these straight away out of the whole box. So I think I'm going to be using these, and I think I might do something like with a green lid or like a cut crease or something. So let's just see how we go. So for you guys to see it a bit more closer, I'm going to bring you guys in.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
I'm scared. Like, alright, so I'm gonna start off by going in with Touch of Forest. It's a very light baby blue shade, I would say. I'm gonna just put it on my hand and just put in a little bit because I don't know if I want to use it straight onto my eyes. So I'm gonna just go in with this. So going in with a dense brush, I'm literally just going to pat it on. Okay, so very thick. Let's just see. So I've got no eye base on my eye as well, so this is just going straight onto my eyelids. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I just hit an Ariana Grande note, bitch.
Scared. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my. That is so pigmented. Stop. No. Okay, so I was just patting it on this whole time. I'm gonna try like swiping it now. Bitch. Bitch. Ooh. So you gotta be very controlled with it clearly, as you can see. Oh, this is a whole nother level. Okay, so I'm trying to disperse the top out a little bit. This is translating so pigmented on camera as well. I'm so shook. Oh my god. Who needs face cream when you got P.Louise bases? Oh, stunning. So I'm gonna go in with a vibrant blue from James Charles's palette on top. I'm gonna put on the edge first because I'm scared. No. No ma'am.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
So there's been a bit of fallout from the eyeshadow, so I just went and packed on a bit more powder underneath to catch it so it doesn't translate on the bottom. So I'm just buffing out that blue that I placed, and literally that pigment is just... And now reaching into my Mint Pastel palette by Huda Beauty. I'm just going to be going into the lightest blue shade on the top left corner and just using that to lightly buff out the front of my eye, just to make sure that that blend is nice and seamless. The edge to smoke it out a little bit. I'm still going to keep it in the oval kind of eye shape for the time being, but I'm going to try and get rid of some of the front to make it a cut crease. So going in with a hint of mint, I'm going to be cutting the crease and then add a green shadow on top and buff it out. And then reaching into the Pastel Mint by Huda Beauty palette, I'm just adding a mint color on top of the hint of mint by P.Louise to set it, and going in with the blue again to blend everything together. I've decided to keep it as a matte eye as I find that it just looks so nice matte, and honestly I'm not complaining at all. So now using the P.Louise base in Yummy Yellow, I'm just going to add a line at the crease just to see how it would look if I use the pop of colour in all the blue. My hands are shaking so badly, oh my god, I'm scared. I definitely do feel like my hands
We're not made to do that.
oh my god. And now going in with the liquid liner, I'm just adding a wing as a finished touch. And then on my bottom lash line, going in with the vibrant blue from James Charles's palette, I'm putting it close to the lash line as possible. And then going in with the touch of forest again that I used at the start and putting it in my lash line. And then buffing out with a black right underneath the lash just to connect that wing with the bottom lash line. Alright guys, so that is one eye fully complete, and oh my god, I'm so shocked, but honestly, I have to now do it on that eye. So I'm just gonna go and do it off camera, put on lashes, and finish off the rest of the face while I give you my honest review.
It feels
Wait, I put that brush, oh my god.
Right in front of me. Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, so I'm back and I've just finished off the other eye and I've put on a lash. My lashes today are from the Halls of Glam in the style Daddy.
Chill, daddy.
Honestly, like, I'm shook. Like, I don't, like, I'm just at how good these bases are and how well they apply. I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face by just like, you know, bronzing a bit more, adding highlighter and stuff. And while I'm doing that, I thought I'd just give you guys like my honest thoughts. And honestly, like, I am not surprised at the pigment payoff and anything about the product, because you can't expect anything less from P.Louise. I definitely 100% would recommend these bases to anyone from now on, because this just made like a big difference in my makeup game.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
And I can't wait to keep using these P.Louise bases in the colors, but also like get different bases. And I know that they have brushes and they have a lot of other stuff as well. I mean, in all honesty, you're getting quite a lot of product in here as well. Like, I used like little squirts of it and it's done this. Would 10 out of 10 recommend it. It is definitely like a, you go in with it and you gotta just keep going in, like there's no coming back. And honestly, like, trust the process. I'm happy with how it turned out. Done it on myself. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray and just give myself a good spritz. It is a setting mist as well, so it's so fine, it's so nice, and it's refreshing. I'm honestly quite happy with it. And there you have it. So the look that I've gone with today is a blue smoky cut crease. And I've kept a matte as well, which I'm quite happy about for this look. So I can't wait to use the other colors and see what else I can create. But if you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I'll be posting weekly videos and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!